Welcome everybody, Harry Viral here. In this video you will learn how to go live on TikTok with a really easy way. So what you want to do, you just click on the TikTok, go to home button or discover anyone, then just gonna press the middle button and there is the thing. You can go live right now, that you have only 60 or 50 seconds and 4 templates. What you want to do, go to me on the right down corner, go on the upper right corner, 3 dots. Now you want to go here and you can see a support reported problem. Now you don't even need 1,000 followers for you to go live and transaction. I would like to start a live payment rewards, and then here wasting live, and you can go here, I can start a live, and then you can see here just easier problem solved. Click on no, thanks for your feedback. Still have problem, go to still have problem, and you can send your feedback. So feedback you can write here. Hi, I could go live in past, but right now I can't. Friends would like to see me going live. Thank you. And this just report, click on report, and you can see here it has been raised ticket, and just gonna send it, and after that you will be able to go live on TikTok. It will go like in one day or 2 days, and you will be able to do that. So kind of you, if this video helps, you can support me, subscribe, and also write in the comments what you like to learn from TikTok, and I will make a video on that. Thank you very much everybody, and now I have a great day, and see you in the next video. Thank you.